This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Pull the hood release lever, located on the driver's side kick panel. Lift the hood safety latch and raise the hood upwards, then support it with the prop rod. Loosen the cable bolt, then disconnect the negative battery cable first, before disconnecting the positive cable. Flip open the protective cover, then loosen the bolt and disconnect the positive cable from the battery. Remove the battery hold-down clamp bolt from the battery tray. Carefully lift the battery out of the battery tray. Always keep the battery in an upright position to reduce the possibility of electrolyte spills. If you spill electrolyte on yourself or the vehicle, rinse it off immediately with plenty of water. Make sure the battery tray is clean before installing the battery. Also make sure that the cable ends are capable of providing a clean connection to the battery terminals. Set the battery in the tray. Don't tilt the battery or you might spill battery acid through the vent tube onto the tray or on the components near the tray. Install the hold-down clamp and bolt. The bolt should be snug, but over-tightening it may damage the battery case. Connect the battery cable for the positive terminal first, tightening the bolt securely. Push the protective cover securely onto the positive terminal. Connect the negative battery cable and tighten the bolt securely.